Hello guys, now we will study the class 8th Anxiety, Resources and Development, Chapter 1 Resources. Here we'll see the some conversation of two people, that is Mona and Raju. They were helping Amma to clean their houses. Look at all these things: clothes, utensils, food grains, combs, this bottle of honey, books. Each of this has a use, said Mona. That is why they are important, said Amma. These are the resources. What is okay? So see, there are the just two people, Mona and Raju. They were just helping her Amma to clean their houses, and there were lots of things like a clothes, utensil, food grains, combs, this bottle of honey, books. Each of this has use. Mona said, okay, and her Amma replied, that's why they are important and they are the resources. So what is the resources was Raju's question to Amma. So basically राजू आस्क्स टू हर अम्मा कि ममा रिसोर्सेज क्या होते हैं, तो उसकी जो माँ है वो रिप्लाई करती हैं, एनीथिंग दैट कैन बी यूज टू सेटिस्फाई अ नीड इज अ रिसोर्सेज, रिप्लाइड अम्मा. So what is saying ki anything which can satisfy to need our need, like anything which can satisfy our need is known as resources. Look around you and observe. You will be able to identify many types of resources. If you look around yourself, you will able to observe many kind of resources: the water you drink when you are thirsty, the electricity you use in your house, the rickshaw you use to get a home from school, the textbook you use to study are all the resources. So here is the Raju's question to her mom that Amma, what is the resources? So she is replying, anything which fulfill our need. Okay, anything which fulfill our need is a satisfy our need is a resources. Just there example, whatever you see around us, like a rickshaw from which you are coming school, water which you are drinking, electricity which you are like using, and you go to study, other resources, textbook you are using for study. So all these are the resources. Your father has prepared a tasty snack for you. The fresh vegetable he has used are also resources. What she is saying, she is saying ki today's your father has prepared a tasty snacks, and that tasty snacks include the fresh vegetable, and these fresh vegetables are the part of resources. Now water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable, textbooks have something in common. They have all been used you, so they have utility. What it's saying ki like water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable, textbook, they have something common, means all this have the one thing common, and they have all been used by you. All these things have been used by you, so they have a utility. Means utility means just try to understand the definition of utility. Utility means anything which is in the use. Suppose there are lots of minerals which are inside the mountain, but these minerals are not used by anyone, so these minerals will be not come under the utility. Now utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resources. Suppose water. Okay, through water we can make a lots of resources like electricity through hydropower plant. So this is the utility. Or how does the something become a resources, Raju now wanted to know. Now Raju is so curious and excited. He wanted to know how does this resources become become, how they make. Amma told the children that things become resources only when they have a value. So what her mother is saying, like कि anything become resources only when they have a value, they are utilized. Its use, a utility gives its value. All the resources have the same value, said Amma. What her mother is saying कि like when the things have you, she is saying कि when anything becomes the valuable, when only it has the utility. Now values means the worth. Some resources have economic value, some do not. Okay, so here is a one more important thing, like the value means worth, but the some resources have the economic value, but the some resources does not have the economic value. But then also that resources also play an important role. just like हमें समझते हैं कि metals, ठीक है, मेटल्स क्या होता है, एक मेटल्स की इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू है, वो लैंडस्केप को ब्यूटीफाई करता है, बट ठीक है, हम यहाँ पे दो रिसोर्सेज की बात करते हैं, एक तो मेटल की बात करते हैं, एक ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केप की बात करते हैं। देखो मेटल क्या है, दैट इज़ वो इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू में रोल प्ले करता है, और ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केप है उतना ज़्यादा इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू में रोल प्ले नहीं करता है, लेकिन दोनों ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है और दोनों ही ह्यूमन नीड्स के सेटिस्फाई करते हैं। नाउ सम रिसोर्सेज can become economically value with time. Okay, as the time go, the some resources become economically valuable. Your grandmothers have remedies who have no commercial value today, but if they are patented and sold by the medical firm tomorrow, they could become economically value. See what he's trying to understand, like what she is trying to explain, that things become things become valuable on the changing of the time to time. Like your grandmothers, she used to have the lots of home remedies, but that are the no more commercial valuable. But suppose that is the sold or they are the patent or sold to the some medical firm tomorrow, they have the lots of economical value. So here we'll understand the term patent. Patent, it means the exclusive right over an idea, any idea or invention. So patent basically means what is it identified, it identifies any exclusive right over an idea, suppose or invention. Suppose just there is an invention of like some decomposition of garbage waste. Okay, it is invented by the A people. Okay, some what happen if A people give this invention record to the some company. Okay, and if he does not have the patent right, then this company can sell his invention to the other someone. Then this person will not get benefited. But if he has a patent right, okay, he can claim for the copyright, like nobody can copyright it. Got it? Now the time and technology are the two important factors that can change subsistence into resources. Here two things are very important, like time and technology, and the important factors that can change substances into resources. Both are related to the needs of the people. Both, like time and technology, both are related to the needs of the people. People themselves are the most important resources. People themselves, they are the also most important resources. It is their ideas, knowledge, invention, discoveries that lead to the creation of more resources. Like it is the people's ideas and their knowledge and their discoveries which create a more number of resources. Each discovery or invention leads to many others. Like each discovery, the discovery of fire led to the practices of cooking or other process, while the invention of wheel ultimately resulted in the development of newer model of transport. See, here is the we are talking about the time and technology. There is always anything become resources if there is a time as per the changing of time and as per the invention of technology. So if there is any invention related to cooking, तो वो क्या होगा कि वो कुकिंग की फील्ड में एक नया रिसोर्स बन जाएगा. अगर कोई इन्वेंशन टेक्नोलॉजी से है या ट्रांसपोर्ट सेक्टर से है, लाइक इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील, तो दैट बिकम द इन्वेंशन ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. नाउ अब हम यहाँ पे बात करते हैं कि टेक्नोलॉजी, अगर हम हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को टर्न करते एक एनर्जी कि मान लो कोई एनर्जी जनरेशन है, तो सपोज दैट हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन इज अ वन काइंड ऑफ फास्टर फ्लोइंग वाटर, एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट रिसोर्सेज. Here we'll read the term technology. It is the application of the latest knowledge and skill in doing making things. Okay, what is the term of technology? Technology is the application which is a latest knowledge and skill in doing or making the things on time. Now here we'll go for the, see, just read this, a very valuable one. So I am a resources too. So what one girl, she is talking to her mama, and she is saying just I'm also the valuable one, and so I am the resources. But here she will be not the resources, she is a human being who can make the resources. So I hope you are understanding this. Once again we will revise what we are studying here. So basically we are dealing here with the resources. Resources is the anything which makes our fulfill the our needs, and how they are the valuable. So resources become the valuable of when they make the something useful, like when there is a utility of anything. Suppose a material, okay, take example of water. water have lots of utility. Okay, that's why it is a valuable, and that's why it is a resources. Got it? So now we have understand like this resources change, the important factor of this resources are time, and technology is an important factor of this resources. Okay, so I hope you understand this and enjoyed this class. We will come to the next class with the next topic.